ice. Watch the ice. Dan, don't go where you're going to get on.
I looked on Google for the biggest thing, biggest snowman. It is big.
What? Because I built you up, Dan. Dude, that is...
I can't believe we did that.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Yes.
You gotta send it in.
I will.
Picture. You gotta get like the house stuff too, though.
I'll get it tomorrow.
Just put 12.
I think it's bigger than 12 feet.
That's not. No, that's double Dad's height.
That's not.
It's cold!
It is freezing. What are you doing?
Shivering.
I mean, are you taking a picture or?
It's a video.
Oh. Isn't that peace, look? Can you get the house over here? Get the house up?
I can try, but it's not.
Let's just stand by, guys.
Come on, hurry! It's cold. My finger. Hold on, wait for this car to go by. Can I be done now? Hurry! Yeah, hurry, hurry, hurry! It's cold, it's cold, it's cold! It's already zoomed in. It's cold.
Be careful,
it's cold, it's cold.
don't run because it's nice. Can I get one picture?
Why did you take a picture?
Here, get it on.
Oh my gosh.
Here, get it on picture mode.
Still did this video.
Now take a picture of you guys standing there.
I'm a retard.